Okay, I don't know if you can really see me, but it's getting pretty dark here. But I think you can see a lovely fire going. This is the pans at this, that, and the other. I do hope you're hopefully enjoying some of these videos. Not how I plan to start things, as I said earlier on. And I don't think you can even see me, but that's fine. I've got actually in front of the fireplace 2 buckets of filled with snow. One of the things I forgot to mention is when we lose electricity because of where we live, and we live on a well, we draw water from a well, we need a heat pump, not a heat pump, a well pump. And of course when you lose electricity, bingo, you don't get any water. So it's got a long ways to melt there, honey.
Yes, it does.
It does. In front of the fire. A lot of this wood here we've split ourselves. And this is going to be it for tonight. It's going to be, we've got no power still. This is our heat. And this is our light. At some stage we're going to get a camping stove out and try and heat some other whatever shit we can come up with to fill our stomachs. So again, you know, for all the dear leaders and all the environmentalists out there, and I'm really sorry guys, but I think some of you guys who are watching this, you know, what you're advocating doesn't really work. It doesn't. I've tried biofuel. I've tried burning dog poop. Biofuel.
Doesn't burn very well.
Doesn't burn very well. Actually, it just turns into hard rocks. So, there we go. I'm praying that we will get some power back, but I have a feeling it's going to take a couple of days. We did measure the depth of the snow, and it was, what, 11 inches?
11!
11! And if you follow some stuff on the internet, there's a very funny thing from BBC Scotland of 2 comedians that get stuck in a lift, and it's hysterical because they speak Scottish, and it's all remote, voice controlled, and the robot doesn't understand Scottish, and it gets very, very testy in the end. In the end, they're literally going, freedom, which is how I'm feeling right now. And then the doors open. So that's it for my launch, which I had not planned it to go this way. Hopefully, the next load you'll see me looking absolutely glamorous. But I definitely feel like a pioneer woman here. And it's been a bloody sodding long day. And it's going to be a bit more of a sodding long night. But, yeah. Let's push on regardless, as we say. Love you guys. Don't forget, if you like this, like, ring the bell, and subscribe. Thanks, the Pans.